The following video contains scenes that might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Now here I have a video footage to show you of a man seen destroying properties of a Waffle House. They said that this is the Clifton Waffle House that is of Cincinnati, Ohio, United States of America. Now, social media is saying that sometimes you have to be careful of how you intervene in some altercations because you might end up be the one that gets hurt, alright? And sometimes you have to just leave certain things to be dealt with by the law. Now, I'm going to show you the video footage, but before I show you, I have to warn you that the scenes in this video footage might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Observe.
Give me a phone, I'm gonna call that stuff. Give me a phone. Hey, give me a phone, make it go. I'm gonna break all this stuff. Bitch, I told your dumbass give me a phone, how about that?
Now you got to go play over it.
Tell this dumb shit.
Alright, go see Larry, come back here.
Oh, he's buzzing. He's buzzing, bro.
You already busted my nose. You broke my fucking glasses, motherfucker.
I'm gonna bust in your dumb ass.
Who he talking to? Look, him against them. Look. Look. He on bullshit down. He trying to hit. He trying to hit. Look, oh yeah, he on bullshit. Him. Oh, they got the wrong nigga. They tased the wrong nigga.
That's the wrong one.
That's the wrong guy.
They tased the wrong nigga. Oh, they tased the wrong nigga. They tased the wrong nigga on guard. The other nigga gone.
That's the wrong one.
Alright viewers and subscribers, so what you just saw is a man being mistakenly tasered by a police officer because the police officer thought that he was the guy that was destroying the properties of the Waffle House, right? And this Waffle House, like I said, is called Clifton Waffle House. Maybe it's because it's near a place that is called Clifton Heights, or is it in the place that is called Clifton Heights and close to Clifton Avenue, right? But this is at Cincinnati, Ohio, United States of America, right? Now, if you listen to the video very carefully, you could actually hear someone, not only someone, but people, like quite a few of them saying, hey, that is the wrong guy. The person that you're looking for has escaped. And you could actually see when a lady, or should I say someone, is pointing down the road, right? Or I say pointing at a direction, I should say, showing where that person have gone, right? And the police officer, you know, he's just trying to do his job. But anyways, you don't know the thing go already. As in me, Dancehall Skilla, only bring to you what happened on social media to let you have a look and see what I go on and tell me what you think about a situation like this, alright? So a man got mistakenly tasered by police officers, and social media says that sometimes you have to be careful how you intervene in some altercations, alright? So anyways, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla, uno big up on yourself. You see?